Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the middle console in the 2003 through 7 Silverados. They should be the same fitment as the 2008 through the 13, but I already took the middle console out in this one. It was a non-foldable one. I'm going to be replacing it with that foldable one. And the first thing you're going to want to be doing is unplugging your little harness down here for your airbags. You're gonna have one over there. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult on the passenger side to get to. You don't have to take the passenger seat out. You can just unbolt it a little bit. So you're just able to move it out of the way so you can get the middle console in. For the bolts up front, there's gonna be 4 for each seat. There's gonna be one right here, one right there for the front. You're gonna need a deep socket. It's gonna be a 15 milliliter. And then for the back ones, it's gonna be one snug right in there, another one on that other side. That's gonna be what's that say right there? That's gonna be a 12 milliliter. You don't need it, or millimeter. You don't need a deep socket for that one. Other than that, I'm just gonna start unbolting those, get the seat out so I can get that middle console in. All right, so I just got the middle console in. I took out the seats, unbolted them and everything. So I lied about these back two. You are gonna need a deep socket for that 15 millimeter. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna put that middle console right where the same placement where your driver and passenger seat was. Same thing on the other side. If I can get that. And this is the middle console right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the driver's seat in, see how it looks. So I just got all the seats back in. This is the new foldable console. It doesn't quite match the color though. This one's like a flat gray. This one's got a little bit of color in there. But, you know, flip it up. Same thing as it used to be. Flip it down. It's just a lot better middle console. One thing that I did have to do was that I couldn't get my hand back there. I couldn't hand tighten it, so I had to get the socket in there. Hand tighten it first with the socket, and then I could go in there with the wrench. Other than that, you know, I think it looks pretty fine. As I said, it goes on the same bolts for the middle console for the driver and the passenger seats. That's how you get your new middle console in there. You can also put a 2008 to 13 middle console in here too if you really wanted to. I was trying to find one of those. This is the only one I can find for cheap. All right, thanks.